Golf carts. Doesn't say anything about a bicycle. That's a cutesy little pathway there. I've never seen that before. Yeah, you do. Hey, they're all lined up there like they're ready for you to jump on them. Well, you could stop and jump on them, but then you might break your noggin. I just saw Steve. And go to the right, go to the left. Let's go to the right. This is a cutesy little bridge. Where's Grandma's house? That sign says alligators. Do you see any alligators in there? There's no alligators in there. There's no alligators. There's a turtle. Oh. I see one. Oh, there's one over there. There's two.
Yeah, there's one over there. There was two over there, and then there was another one over there. Hey, I think you're missing your friend.
He's way over there by the lily pad. Yeah. So probably no gators in there. They probably would have eaten them by now. All right, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. With the moss on it? Yeah, that's kind of cool, huh? I don't know where we are. Oh, we're going this way. Yeah, we've been down this road, haven't we? But I don't think we've ever taken that little path. Probably because it says no outlet. That's probably why we always avoided it.
Maybe.
But now we know that little cutesy path is there. All right, so now where are we going? That way?
Probably. Keep on keeping on.
Well, let's go. Keep on keeping on.
Okay, I'm gonna keep on keeping on.
Yeah, kind of cute. So to the right takes us to that gate that takes us to 301. Let's go Lefty Lucy. Take it right. Yeah, it takes us by this pond. If you go all the way to the end, you can circle back around to the left. So go all the way around to the end. There's like townhouses down there, and we can go around those townhouses. There's ducks. Hello. You got mallards, regular ducks. I see a couple of turtle heads popped up out there. Some other waterfowl, which I can't identify. There's Steve sitting right there in the corner. What the heck was that? Phew, something stinks. That's like sulfur. Smell it? Smells like rotten eggs. Hopefully it's not a gas leak. All right, do you see any gators over here? Boy, this is really drying up over here. It's dried up a lot.
Those lily pads and their frogs.
I don't see any frogs.
No.
It's a sad
Wait,
day.
what's that? Oh, right there. Is that turtle? Is that an alligator?
Where?
The corner of. Maybe it's just a leaf.
You mean over there in the corner next to the grass?
It was the very corner at the very end of this big old
Yeah.
whatever. It kind
That-
of looked like a snout. But now I'm thinking maybe it was a leaf.
But you don't see it anymore?
It's still there.
I don't see it something that looks like a snout.
It's literally like right at the very edge. I don't know. I don't think that was anything.
It may not have been something.
Maybe it was.
Or it could have been everything. We just don't know. We don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Hey, that's what I say. You think we'll see something over here in this part? It's a nice day. You think that gators would be out. Yeah, I saw that swarm. I should have warned you, I guess. That's kind of cool, huh? I don't know. Oh no, it's just, that's the tops that are poking out above the water. It makes it look that way. Yeah. Kind of peaceful, huh? Yeah.
That might disturb the neighbors. Like, why is there a weird girl in my front lawn?
Yeah. It's because you always have to assume that there's alligators and snakes in the water. Yeah. All right.
See more ducks. What is this with ducks?
Mm-hmm.
Don't get it. What is this thing?
You think so? Anything's possible. If you scoot over here, you can see all the ducks on the edge because there's a lot of them. That's not a duck. It's one of those ugly blackbirds. There's some mallards out there. See the green heads? I guess. They like doing that. I always just refer to it as airing out their armpits. No alligators today. No ugly gators. All right, you're leading the way. Where are we headed? We can go to the left if you want. That takes us back out towards 301. All right. You're welcome.